So exterior video of stock number 1529. So 2014 Exiss 16-foot stock combo with a 10-foot living quarter and a mid-tack. 30-pound cylinders. It's got a propane generator on it. All the skin's real nice and clean on this trailer. It's a hay rack. It's got 14-ply Goodyear tires on it. They're all in really good shape. No uneven wear, no dry rot, no cracks. It's got a rear ramp on the back. Insulated stock area. There's a couple wrinkles and dents in the ceiling there. Center cut gate. Vents. Got an escape door up there, then a walk-through door into the mid-tack. It's got the slider on the rear door as well. There's a couple kick marks on the extrusion there. Nothing too terrible. Just put a brand new awning on this trailer today. Or new fabric, I should say. Here's your mid-tack. Saddle racks, blanket bars, bridle hooks, and then that's a fold-down ramp on the opposite side. The previous owner had started to insulate the mid-tack as well. Trailer's in pretty nice shape. We put a lot of new parts and service on this. Resealed a bunch of the windows and body lines and stuff like that on this trailer. Cut it out and recaulked everything. A nice long fold down ramp. 2 lights in the mid-tack. So interior video on stock number 1529. Exiss stock combo with a 10.5-foot living quarter. trailer's got 2 fantastic fans in it. Bunch of overhead cabinets up here. Double hanging rod closet.